Alright, so I just went and picked up these Gs300 lower control arms, knuckles, spindles, and they do have hubs on them. I'm going to be extending these lower control arms 1 inch, or close to 1 inch, maybe 20 millimeters. Shortening these spindles 40 millimeters, so pretty much from this spot to this spot. This will come down, and I'll be able to be low without hitting. And then we're going to be pretty much shortening this knuckle. See how it's curved upward? We're going to pretty much cut this and this. We're going to put this right here. And that's going to give this a ton of angle. Pretty much like a 240. I mean, mine are already modified, but they're modified with IS300 knuckles, which don't fit GS300s. I had to make them fit, which is probably bad, but whatever. It's been working. So we have that stuff. I'm not going to do it today because you see I have open intakes and a supercharger from the Cobra just on the floor right there. Oh, my camera's fucking up. There we go. Fucking bitch. And here we have the rotor for the GS300. This is the LS 400 second generation, so it's like a 94 to 99 or 95 to 99, something like that. This is the caliper, very similar to the Toyota Supra. They are not the same. Like I said, they are similar. This is a 12.5 inch rotor. Here's the Stop Tech line kit. I mean, there are tons of other line kits out there, but I got this one. Mine looks really short. I haven't taken it out, or test fitted it, but everyone says this is the right one because the last number should be like a 5 or something for the rears. So yeah, it was on back order. I just got this. We have the Megan Racing roll center adjusters that people say you pretty much have to run these to make these fit because they're so big. I'm waiting on my brake pads to get here. I got some Stop Tech race brake pads because, I mean, race car, right? No, it's a street car, but whatever. It's not fast, but I just want really, really, really good brakes because we're in Atlanta and people fucking suck at driving here. So that's the update on that. We got the Cobra. I just made the video on the supercharger stuff for it. Y'all won't see it till, y'all watch that video, but yeah. Cobra. Non-supercharged, we're supercharging it. GS430 back there. Cat's deleted now. Sounds like a fucking scat pack. Honestly, it sounds good. And we did the knock sensors, and the car feels fucking quick. I'm about to make a video on it here in 20 minutes or so. But yeah, we're gonna be making these. There's quite a bit of modifying and cutting, and since all the pieces are cast, the full kit might be around $400 after we make it. But if you have one and you want it done, we can do it. So, I mean, it's just, we go through fucking blades cutting these cast pieces. So, yeah, this is all cast iron. These aren't aluminum. We can modify them. If you supply them, it'll be a little cheaper. But if I have to go buy these things, they're not cheap. I mean, I got them from a junkyard, and this was still over $100 for this. Like, yeah, not cheap doing it this way. If you send me your stuff, it'll be a little bit cheaper, but still, it's going to be like almost $400 regardless. So, Our kits for the 240s, they're like $350. I mean, yeah, they're not WiseFab, but $350 for, you know, knuckles and lower control arms. I have a set that's done around here somewhere that looks really good. Yeah. I mean, and we can do drop knuckles too. Those are a bit more expensive because I don't have the saw right now, but we can do them. Yeah, those lower control arms are badass. Brand new greasable joints, bump stops welded in, fucking dope. Yeah. Knuckle mods, angle mods, lower control arm spindles modified. We can do it.